this tutorial video is how to use the EHIS lockbox feature. So EHIS is a cumulative health record, which means that there can be many health providers but only one client chart. So if you are working on a team and the client has disclosed some information that they don't want to share with the rest of your team that's on the system, this is how you would lock their chart. So let's go find a chart that's open. I think Jane is open. So see, this chart is open. That's why the close chart button is there and these two tabs are here. So patient's chart. It doesn't look like there's any records in this one. So let's add a chart. Here we go, add chart. Let's just do a narrative chart. Clicking into the chart form here. Very confidential information. So you don't want to share this. Okay, so then over here, if you look at the top, there's another tab called lockbox. So this is locked record. So now no one except for this user type, so like this is, I'm in the demo right now, so whoever logs into the demo will be able to see it. Only that user is able to see this chart now, this entry. But let's say they did give you consent to talk to one other professional, then you would say add, and then let's say that we're going to allow someone to look into this record. Let's say we're going to add admin Felix is allowed to see this. So allowed health providers, and then you would sign the record. That seals the record, and saving the record means it's in draft form. So there it's saved. So the thing with the draft form as well is that nobody else can open this while it's still a draft. So until your chart is done and signed. So this is signing the chart. It seals the record, sign. So now everything goes gray. So you're allowed one amendment after this. And so let's go back to the big chart. So see, now you can see here that it's signed. And then there's no indication unless another user tries to go into this. So if we had a different account that was logged in, this would say locked instead of signed. But because we are demo right now, we can see that it's just a completed record. So yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to lock a record in the cumulative charting system so that nobody else can see it.